What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to use constructors in Java. Now here you can see this is from my previous video, and if you want to know how did we do that, you can watch my previous video. I have done this part, and here I created an object and put coffee object dot saying, and let's see when we run this one what's gonna happen. Here it's saying your first girlfriend was null. It's because here we didn't have any value right here, so that's why we had to create a constructor. Now how to create a constructor? To create a constructor, first you have to put public. Let's copy and paste it right here. Copy and paste it right here, and instead of this one I put public string, actually public coffee string name. Coffee is the class name. Public coffee string name, and others just remains the same as previous one. So girl name, and then here we have to create a constructor. To create a constructor, we are going to coffee object new coffee, and inside of this parenthesis we are going to write whatever the name we want to print out. So let's say Taylor Swift. Now when I run this one, now you can see your first girlfriend was Taylor Swift. Like this we can create again and then again. You can create as much as you want. Like if you want to create one more, just copy, paste it right here, coffee object, and here object 2, and this one is new coffee. Let's put a different name. Let's put Selena Gomez. And this one coffee object saying, and the next one is coffee object 2 saying. Okay, here I put a new line, so it will print in a new line, \n. Actually other side. Let's run this one again. Now you can see your first girlfriend was Taylor Swift, your first girlfriend was Selena Gomez, and that's it. That's how we do constructors in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.